Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test for Glastonbury Festival attendees, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Glastonbury experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Glastonbury? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info and payment details stay safe from snoopers on those crowded festival Wi-Fi networks. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get left exposed in the middle of your favorite set. And they've all had their no-logs policies independently verified, meaning they don't keep track of the sites you visit or your connection history. But the places where they differ, well, that's what really matters at a festival like Glastonbury. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for Glastonbury because of its speed and extra features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a big plus for privacy when you're using public festival Wi-Fi hotspots. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks annoying ads and malicious sites, packed with phishing attempts or fake ticket scams, even when the VPN is off. It also offers Meshnet, letting you create a secure private network with friends in your festival group, perfect for sharing updates without risking your data. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit isn't a problem with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections. So you can protect your phone, tablet, and laptop all at once during the festival. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy attendee can trust there are no hidden backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs policy has been challenged in court and stood strong. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the completely independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and runs its entire server network. No middlemen, meaning tighter control over connection quality, which translates to a more stable and reliable link while you're navigating Glastonbury's bustling digital environment. For anyone battling slow or laggy public Wi-Fi, they also offer a SOCKS 5 proxy to help reduce ping and speed up certain kinds of traffic. Just remember, that route gives up a layer of encryption for better speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Glastonbury? NordVPN takes the crown with blazing speeds thanks to its custom NordLynx technology. That means less buffering when streaming your favorite sets live or uploading your festival pics. IPVanish is a very close second, providing steady, low-latency connections with the WireGuard protocol. PIA is a bit less consistent. It can be fast, but our tests showed its speeds vary depending on which server you choose. So, which VPN should you pick for Glastonbury? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest and most feature-packed experience, especially if buffering during live streams drives you nuts. Go with IPVanish if you've got a lot of devices or are sharing passes with friends. Unlimited connections and self-operated servers offer great value. And finally, pick PIA if privacy is your main concern or you're on a budget, since its open source apps and proven no-logs record provide unique peace of mind. And that's it. We're out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which VPN you're running at Glastonbury. See you soon.